Hello, good morning, children. How is the weather today? Cool, no? Are you feeling happy? Enjoying the holidays? I hope so. So, have you taken your reader with you? Okay. So, what was in the last video? Yes, we have seen about Basaveshwara, Basavanna's teachings, Muhammad Paigambar's teachings, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa teachings, and Jesus Christ. So, in this lesson also we have about Good Samaritan. So, Good Samaritan is a person who is who has helped another man. So in this we have new words. Bleeding means losing blood. Rakta Suryodake we call as bleed. When a student, example, when a student he falls down, it starts bleeding. Rakta Suryodake start agta adake ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, teacher students will come and tell to the teacher, he is bleeding, ಅವನಿಗೆ ರಕ್ತ ಸೋರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Next one, ditch means, yes, in the previous class also we discussed, ಸಂಧಿ. ಎರಡು ಗುಡ್ಡುಗಳ ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೋಡ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ, ಹೊಲದಾಗಿನ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಸಂಧಿಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. A long narrow passage cut into the ground. Next one, well to do means, well ಅಂದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು, to do ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. That means he had everything. Give help to someone in difficulty. ಮಾಡಬೇಕನ್ನೋ ಮನಸ್ಸಿರಬೇಕು, ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೋಬಲ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯರು, ಆಫ್ ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ moral. We give the Nobel prizes who the people who work for the society. ಯಾರು ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಜನರಿಗಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಜನರಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಣ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ದೊಡ್ಡತನ. ಸೊ ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೆಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಜನರಸ್. ದ ಸ್ಯಾಮರಿಟನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜನರಸ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, even by money, even by help also. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. Parable means a short simple story which teaches a moral or religious lesson. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಕಥೆಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, ಪ್ಯಾರಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಮರಿಟನ್ is a parable given by Jesus Christ to his followers. Here in the first paragraph of Good Samaritan, he is telling that many religious men and women have taught us good behavior by their songs, stories and precepts. So Basavanna, Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, all have given us good behaviors. For example, Basavanna said, do not steal, do not kill, do not tell lies. ಕಳಬೇಡ, ಕೊಲಬೇಡ, ಹುಸಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ನಮ್ಮ ಬಸವಣ್ಣವರು. give some other examples that you know. So we have discussed in the previous class. What did Jesus Christ, Muhammad Paigambar, the Buddha, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Gandhi and others say? So how did they live? They lived peacefully. And like a ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್, ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಂಗೆ ನೋಡು ನಾವು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಐಡಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಸವಣ್ಣವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹಿಯರ್. There once was a man walking from Jerusalem to Jericho. Here we can see a man is walking from Jerusalem to Jericho. Where he is walking? He is walking in between the rocks. That is called narrow ditch. That place is called as ditch. He was alone and the road he followed was rocky. Rocky means ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿರುತ್ತಾ. He was alone and the road was rocky with many twists and turns. ವಂಕ ಟಿಂಕ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ರೋಡ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ 2 robbers jumped out of nowhere. So there are 2 people, they came, but he did not came to understand. The Jew, his name is Jew, he was walking there and he did not came to know ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತಾರ. ದೇ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, beat him up and stole everything he had, even his clothes. So they attacked the man, beat him, they beat very badly with sticks and with hands also, and stole everything. Steal means ಕಳು ಮಾಡೋದು, stole means ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದರು. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ he had, even his clothes, ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟಿನೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದರು. ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೇ ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್, ಲೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೀಳೋದು, ಬ್ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ರಕ್ತ ಸುರಿತಿರ್ತದ. ಟು ಡೆತ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೋಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೇಸ್ಟ್. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಮೂನಿಂಗ್, ಊ ಅಂತ ನೆರಳಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಪೂಜಾರಿ. When he saw the man, he was so shocked that he stood and stared. He saw him. This priest saw him, but he was shocked and stood. Stood means stand. Stood is the past tense of stand, and stared means dittis ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. The man could barely raise his head. So ಅವನಿಗೆ ತಲೆ ಎತ್ತಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. His head to beg for help, but the priest only backed away. So ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. He tried not to look as he passed him as quickly as he could. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. The man lay in the dirt moaning until another man came along. ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೇನಪ್ಪ, ನಂಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂತವನು ಕುಂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. He saw the man all covered in blood and dirt and making funny noises in the ditch. He saw, hey, there is a man bleeding and let me go and see. He thought, oh, he looks terrible. So he felt himself, oh, he looks terrible. ಭಯಾನಕವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. I wouldn't ever want to touch him. Oh, I don't want to touch him. Besides, I am sure he is no one I know. So when we see an accident also we say same sentence. Hey, I don't know him, why should I care about it? Do the people do this? Yes, normally people are doing this, but the government is saying no, it shouldn't happen, and we are human beings, they are also human beings, we all are brothers and sisters, so we should help each other. When our family members get an accident or have some problem, then others will help. Same, when others are in need of help, we should help them. I am sure he is no one I know, and he passed him by as well. So he also stood, stared, and he saw, and then he thought, hey, I don't know this man, why should I help him? And then he went back. Then a Samaritan came walking along the road. So Samaritan and Jews were enemies. They both were enemies. They were different people. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಜನಾಂಗ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪಿನ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಗುಂಪಿನ ನಡು ಜಗಳ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಅ Samaritan ಕೇಮ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ರೋಡ್. ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೂ ಲೇ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ Jew. So he was from Jew and he was from Samaritan. He saw a Jew is mourning there. Samaritans and Jews had been enemies for hundreds of years. ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಗುಂಪಿನಾಗೆ ದುಶ್ಮನ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಟ್ ದ Samaritan ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಓವರ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಆದರೂ Samaritan ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಸಮೀಪ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ವೆರಿ ಜೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ಲಿ. He lifted the man's head and brushed the dust out of his mouth. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವ್ನ ಬಾಯಿ ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಣ್ಣು ಹತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ, ಹೊಡೆದು ಹೋದಾಗ ಮೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಧೂಳಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಧೂಳೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮೌತ್, ಬಾಯಿ ಒಳಗೂ ಮಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಗಿತಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ಟಿಲಿಂದ ಒರೆಸಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಿ ಟುಕ್ ಸಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಐಸ್, ಕಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಳಿತಾನೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಧೂಳು ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ಸಲ್ವ, ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಸಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್. He put wine on his wounds to clean. In olden days, they carried wine. Because whenever they feel tired or some need like wounds. So they were applying wine. Then he carried the man and put him on his donkey and brought him into town. So he took the wine and applied on his wounds and cleaned them, and then he took the jiv on his donkey, because donkeys were used to carry heavy loads from one place to another. Okay. Next, there the Samaritan gave some money to an innkeeper and said, "Put him in a clean bed and spend whatever you need to take good care of him until he is strong again." So the Samaritan told to the innkeeper. Innkeeper means the person who was in the hospital. So first he cleaned. What did the Samaritan do? He cleaned the eyes and gave some water and applied wine on the wounds. Then later he brought the jiv to the hospital and he told, "Put him in a clean bed and spend whatever you need." ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು, ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ತಂದು ಕೊಡು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡು. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕೇರ್, ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಕೇರ್ ತಗೋ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ the Samaritan told the innkeeper. Now tell me, Jesus added, which of these three men was a true neighbor to the man who was robbed? No, the expert in Jewish law did not need to think very long. He said, the one who helped him, of course. So we say that who is good man, who is a good neighbor? The person who help. Neighbors means they should always help each other. As we are also have neighbors and we are the neighbors of others, we should help each other when in need. Jesus then told him, then go and do just the same. So how the Samaritan helped the Jew, so you also go and help the same to your neighbors. Those who heard Jesus telling this story knew that he wanted his followers to love everybody. Jesus told the people, his followers, you also love everybody, your neighbors, your friends, all, and help whenever they need help, especially strangers and those who are in need of help. When you see the people, stranger people, help them also. So I hope you also help each other in the class, in the school. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss of question and answers of the lesson. Before attending or watching the video, be with your classwork. Write down the words and meanings of the lesson once neatly. Write the lesson name first. Write the date when you are writing and heading, and then meanings, new words, and later you will write down the true or false, and then we will tick them and question answers also. Okay, so now there is a short video of the Good Samaritan lesson. Come, let us watch and enjoy.